1, 2, 3, come on.
Today we are going to solve some problems on AP series. Here are the problem. If A equal to 5, D equal to 3, AN equal to 50, find AN and SN. Given A equal to 5, D equal to 3 and AN equal to 50. So we write the formula A plus N minus 1. Place 5 here on right hand side and cancel it and calculate it, and we get the value of N as 16. Again, we have to find out the sum. Nth term is given 50, so we shall use second formula Sn equal to n by 2 A plus. We are going to find out S 16 by 2, 5 plus 50. So 2, 8 just 16, 5 plus 50 is 55. So 8 into 55 is 440, which is the answer. Our next question is, if A equal to 7, A13 equal to 35, find D and S13. Given A equal to 7, N equal to 13 term, and A13 is 35. So we shall use A13. So 1 less than 13 is 12D. So A plus 12D is 35. So we find out by calculation D value as 7 by 3. Again, we have to find out S13. We use the second formula Sn equal to n by 2 A plus An. So S13 we shall find out S13. So we put the value, we calculate it, and after multiplication we get 273, which is the required answer. Problem is, if A12 equal to 37, D equal to 3, find A and S12. Given D, we shall write first 3, and we have 12 terms, and A12 equal to 37. Since it is 12, it will become 11D. A plus 11D equals, we shall put the value of D, to calculate it and find out the value of A as 4. Again, we shall find out S12. We use the second formula. So we'll put the value of A as 4, and N as 37, and calculate it. We get it 6 into 41, which is 246, which is the answer. In this question, if A3 equal to 15, S10 equal to 125, find D and A10. So given A3 equal to 15, we shall put the value of A3, A plus 2D equal to 15, which we will multiply later on from here. S10 equal to, let us write equation number 1, S10 equal to 125, put the formula, put the value of N, 10. So we can cancel it, 2 5 ja 10, 5 25 ja 125. So we get 2A plus 9D equal to 25, equation number 2. So these two we shall multiply here, and we get 2A plus 2 2 ja 4D, 2 15 ja 30. So we write this equation and change the sign and calculate it and get the value of D as minus 1. And from 1, A plus 2D equal to 15, we put the value of D minus 1 and calculate it and find out the value of A as 17. The formula for A10 will be A plus 9D. 1 less than 10 is 9. So A value is 17. Here we got it. 9 into value of D as minus 1. Calculate it and get the value as 8. Here the problem is, if D equal to 5, S9 equal to 75, find A and A9. So we are given D equal to 5, S9 equal to 75. We put the formula of Sn, n by 2, twice A plus n minus 1D. Substitute the value of n and D, and we calculate it. We cross 2 on right hand side. So 9 2 ja 18A, 9 4 ja 940 ja 360 equal to 150. So 18A is equal to 150 minus 360. We get it A value as After calculation, minus 35 by 3. So we have to find out A9. So A9 is A plus 8D. So A value, put it and substitute it, and we get the value of A9 as 85 by 3, which is the answer. Here our question is, if A equal to 2, B equal to 8, Sn equal to 90, find N and An. So let us solve it. A to D 8, Sn equal to 90. So we put the formula of Sn and substituted the value and calculated it, and we get a quadratic equation. We cancel it here. 2 to the 4. We take common 4 here and cancel it with 2 to the 4 and 2 45 is 90. So 2 in n into n square, 2n into n into n square minus n equal to, so 45 into 2 is 90, 10 9 is 90, and we factorize the middle term as minus 10 plus 9n, and calculated it, and we get the value n equal to 5, or n equal to minus 9 by 5, which is neglected because of the negative sign. Second part we have here, an is equal to n value, we have 5, so a5 is a plus 4d, so a value is 2, 4 into 34 is the required answer. Another question, if a equal to 8, an equal to 62, Sn equal to 210, find n and d. Here a equal to 8, an equal to 62, we put the formula of an as a plus n minus 1d, and substitute the value of a as 8, and we calculate it and get the value of n minus 1d as 54, which we write as equation number 1. And we take Sn equal to 210 and put the formula of Sn, n by 2, twice a plus n minus 1d, of a as 8, n minus 1d, using equation 1, 54, and we get 2 is just n into 70 equal to 210, and 2 goes upside, and calculate it, and we get n equal to 6. We put the value of n 6 and calculate it to get the value of d as 54 by 5. Here equation, if n equal to 4, d equal to 2, Sn equal to minus 14, find n and a. Here we have got d equal to 2, n equal to 4. We write the formula of n, a plus n minus 1d, and substituted the value of d as 2 and calculated it, and we get a equal to 6 minus 2n as equation number 1. And we are given Sn equal to minus 14. We write the formula of Sn and substitute the value of d, and we take common n here, or 2 common, we take 2 common here and cancel it, and we substitute the value of a here as 6 minus 2n using equation number 1, and we get a quadratic equation, which we further factorize it, the middle term as minus 7n plus 2n. From here n minus 7, and from here we take 2 common, so n minus 7 is common in both, so we take it either n minus 7 equal to 0 or n plus 2 equal to 0, and we neglected this negative value. From 1, equation number 1, 6 minus 2n, 2 into 7, we put it here and get the value of a as minus 8, which is the answer. Now here the problem, if a equal to 3, n equal to 8, s equal to 192, find d. We write the value of a and Sn equal to 192. Formula of Sn, n by 2, twice a plus n minus 1d equal to, and substitute the value of n as 8, a as 3, d we have to calculate. So 2 4s are 8 and 4 48 is 6. So we are having 2 3s are 6 plus 7d equal to 48, 7d equal. We transfer 6 to the right and we get 48 minus 6, and 42 by 7 is 6 is the answer. Here is the problem. If L equal to 28, S equal to 144, N equal to 9, find A. We write the value of N as 9, L equal to 28. L means A9 is 28. So then will be a plus 8d is equal to 28, which is equation number 1, and S9 will be 144 given in the question. So we write the formula, substitute the value 9. 9 16 times is 144. So we write it 2a plus n minus 1 is 8d 16 into 2. So we'll take common 2 here and cancel the 2. So we have here you solve it, we get it 4d equal to minus 4d equal to minus 12. So d is equal to 3. From equation 1, a plus 8d equal to 28, a 3 ja, d value we write it 3. So after calculation we get the value of a as 4. A value we get it 4.